Hey guys, welcome back. It's your boy Sir Adrian from Elite Educators, and this video today was actually inspired by one of our awesome epic students, Michael. Shout out to Michael. Thank you for the inspiration for this video. So Michael's question was, how do we approach dividing a decimal by a decimal? Now, whenever we have to divide a decimal by 10, okay, let me give you guys some example. Let's say, for instance, we have something like 17.6. You guys thought I was going to put 6.7 and we divide by 10. What we basically do is once we divide by 10, we're shifting the place value, the decimal point, so that each number will actually shift its place value. So when we divide by 10, we have 1 0. So we hop one space to the left hand side. So this becomes 1.76. Easy peasy. When we divide by a whole number, something similar, we divide and then we re-add the decimal point. But let me zoom in to what Michael wanted a better explanation of, and that is dividing a decimal by a decimal. So let's use the example 4.8 divided by 0.6. Guys, just by the way, it is midnight. So I promised Michael I have to do this. So that's why I was like, yo, not gonna sleep, gonna do this first. Alright, so in a situation like this, 4.8 divided by 0.6, it becomes a little bit tricky. Alright, and the reason why it becomes a little bit tricky is because in maths, at this level, secondary school will be a bit different. We do not like dividing by a decimal, right? It complicates it a lot. So what we do is we change the divisor, which is what we're dividing by, to a whole number. So the divisor, oops, how did that? Okay, so the divisor is equal to 0.6. So what we do is we want to change 0.6 to a whole number. So how do we do that? Well, we have 0.6, and we know if we multiply by 10, the decimal point will move one space to the right-hand side. So if we have 0.6 multiplied by 10, we'll get 6.0. That decimal point is hopped one space. And here's the thing, whatever we do to the divisor, we do to the other number as well. So 4.8, we wanna, since we multiply by 10, right, we multiply this by 10 as well, and we would actually get 48. So in this case, we have two whole numbers. And guys, you guys have been practicing for this your whole life. This is when we did number operations. So all we do now, right, is just 48 divided by 6, and we will get the answer as being 6, right? So we just solve for 48 divided by 6, and the answer is 6. So in essence, one tool that you guys could add to the toolbox is whenever we're dividing by a decimal, we try our best to change it to a whole number. And when we change it to a whole number, so we multiply by 10 here, we multiply the other number by that same 10. That way, they both become equal. So 48 divided by 6 will actually give you the same answer as 4.8 divided by 0.6. And if we work this out in our calculator, we will get the same exact answer. Now, Michael, I know there are a couple other things you wanted me to look at as well, but what I'll do is tomorrow during some daylight, I'll actually create those videos for you. So I hope this helped. I hope this was informative. If you have any questions, just let me know. Take care, guys, and peace.